So it's important that the lab's values align with the United Nations Sustainability Goals, because that is something we should all be doing. If we all pull together on these Sustainable Development Goals, I do believe we can change the world.
The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, bringing both opportunities and challenges. How do we prepare for a future shaped by automation, climate change, and aging populations? To build a sustainable future, innovation must align with global priorities like the UN Sustainable Development Goals. At the Aioi R&D Lab, Oxford, we harness AI and innovative insurance solutions to tackle a multitude of global challenges. By combining advanced AI with forward-thinking insurance strategies, we're shaping a future where individuals and businesses can thrive. As a joint venture between Mind Foundry and Aioi Nisaidawa Insurance, we believe technology can drive global transformation. One of the key challenges in building a resilient future is strengthening supply chains against disruptions. At the lab, we're employing complexity economics to anticipate and mitigate these risks with AI-driven models.
We're working with the lab to build a model of supply chain disruptions so that if a tsunami happens, we know not just which companies get hit directly by the tsunami, but which companies are going to be affected by the aftermath of the tsunami. Now that's useful for pricing insurance better, but it's also useful for the public more generally because we can use it to think about changing our supply chains to make them more robust. Where are the weak links? Where are the places that are fragile? And how could we fix that to make them more robust to disasters? The kind of work we're doing aligns with UN SDG goals. For example, to make sure we have clean and affordable energy. Well, energy is a key part of the supply chain. Without energy, everything goes down. To make sure that we have a robust economy and that we can have economic growth and that we can get that growth sustainably. It helps us think about sustainable cities. It helps us think about inequality. What are the side effects on inequality of different policies?
At the lab, we're working on projects that improve road safety and promote well-being, such as using AI to help identify early signs of cognitive decline in aging drivers. These initiatives contribute to healthier lives and can be scaled up by improving public transportation safety and efficiency in urban environments. We also use AI to assess bridge health at scale, helping governments prioritize maintenance and extend infrastructure lifespan efficiently. Urban planning leverages simulations and data to optimize city development, balancing housing, green space and pollution control for climate resilience.
One of the projects I've been involved in with the lab has been about mapping and modelling nature risk and benefits across different landscapes. Those risks are as a result of climate, but they also have huge impacts not only on social livelihoods in those areas, but also on the businesses in those areas. So there are all sorts of different levels of risks, and that directly links back to the whole question about how do you mitigate against those risks and the insurance aspects of that. And so the other thing about this, because we're dealing with nature, we're dealing with people, we're dealing with climate, it absolutely aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals that we are all globally trying to work towards.
Aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals is crucial for creating a more equitable, resilient and sustainable future. By harnessing the power of AI and innovative insurance solutions, we can address global challenges more effectively, driving positive change across industries and societies.
AI and what I do, complexity economics, helps us better understand ourselves. We need to model ourselves so that we can anticipate if we take an action, where's it going to lead us? So I think these new ideas really play a key role in guiding us into the future.
We have to work with businesses. We can't see them as separate or as always the ones doing the damage. We have to work with them to ensure that they are also working towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. And that's why I believe that the work of the lab is so important.